Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I have a really nice DIY for us. So basically, look at this, it looks like anything, right? You can make your very own mini whiteboard. And it's easy because then you can rub it straight out like this. See how awesome. So to make this cool DIY, what you'll need is like some card and stuff, and one of your card things got to have a window on it because I recently bought some makeup. So yeah, it's got to have a window on it so you can rub it out and write your whiteboard on it. Next, you'll be needing something that you can draw with. You can have anything really. Needing scissors and tape, but do be careful because scissors can be sharp. But not least, a marker. Well, like a whiteboard marker, so you can be writing on your very own whiteboard with your lists to Santa. Let's get started now. So firstly, you're going to want to take it, open your box with a window on it. And you see this part, that can go, we will not be needing it. And so I'm just going to open up on the sides. So now it's like this. It doesn't matter if it's really poorly done, but you're just going to take your scissors and chop off this excess part. We won't be needing this yet, so we'll just take that on the side. And I'm just going to chop off even more of the excess. Because this is how big I would like my whiteboard to be, because then you can write stuff as well, so that would all be good, because it doesn't just have to be your list of Santa Claus, you can use it all year round. So yeah, so what I want to do is now make sure that the top part's going to be the same width as the bottom part. So I'm going to take my ruler, I'm just going to quickly take my ruler and measure that out. So this is exactly 2 centimeters, which is good. I'm going to take my pencil and mark it out now. Go up by measuring. So there we go, that line's all done. Now we can cut off the rest of the excess now. And that is all done. But what you're going to want to do is take a really nice box. Such as this one. Well, this is a nice gold one, or you can just get a plain one and colour it in yourself, but I thought this would be nice. So I'm going to do the same and open it up. So I want to be careful and do it nicely. So there we go, that was easy, you just have to do one bit. And I would very much like this part to be on the base, like on the back of this, so I'm just going to want to cut this part here. It'd be easier if I just quickly mark it so this does not have to stay there. Just going to cut it off. So there we go, that looks nice. We'll be needing some more of this now, but what you're just going to want to do is take this, put it on top and stick it down, because now look how nice this looks. I might want to clean this before I stick it down, because after I would not be able to. So there we go. It's going to go like this. I suppose I'm just going to get some tape and tape that in. Doesn't matter if you go over these parts here, because we're putting some more of that gold box on it, so it's all good. So there we go, it doesn't have to be completely neat, because by taking like the box, we're just going to cut some of the golden sides off and stick it over it. So that's one side done. You're going to also want to tape it in and do it to the other 3 sides. So once you've done all of that, you're just going to want to trim off the edges, and so it's all going to be good. So on the last part now, you're just going to get, well, you can get any part of the box because no one will be looking at this part. So that's good. And you're just going to cut up on the corners. Make it as straight as possible because this will be the stand for it. And you make it go really high up so it can go and be a good stand, so that's the point in this. Just going to let it go like this. Because then we can trim it later now. It doesn't look the best, but don't worry. Because now we're just going to get some tape and tape that in. I just ran out the tape, so I'm just going to go and get some of this brown tape because I don't have any more clear tape, but that's okay because no one looks at the back. You're just going to want to line this up with the corner. And then if any parts come off like this part here, you're just going to trim it. So that's good, and we're just going to stick it down. You only need to do the top part. You only need to do the top part when you're doing it because you know on those photo frames, they only have the top part and we're trying to create that photo frame effect here. So once that's all done, you'll have your stand for it to stand up, and that's practically done. So what you can write, you can just write stuff like hello. And it would rub off really easily. Had a tissue. See? This is really easy. Thanks for watching this video. Bye, I'll see you guys next week on another DIY, and tomorrow will be another advent calendar video. Well, thanks for watching. Bye.
Please like and subscribe. Also click the notification button so you can be notified when my latest videos come out. Thanks.